So here's the big question. Does enlightenment simply mean knowing who you are and what you're supposed to do?
That's a good starting point, but it's only scratching the surface. Knowing yourself is the beginning, not the end.
Exactly. It's like opening the door, but you haven't walked in yet. Real understanding comes from practice, deep, lived self-discipline.
Right. You can hear 1,000 teachings, but if you don't internalize and apply them, it's like memorizing the recipe without ever cooking.
I love that metaphor, and it brings us to knowledge. Today's intellectuals often mistake information for enlightenment.
Yes. Being equipped with knowledge doesn't mean you understand what knowledge truly is. Knowledge is energy, compressed, evolved, lived energy.
Passed down through generations, knowledge holds the soul of humanity. But unless we learn how to use it correctly, it's just weight.
And misused knowledge can be dangerous. If led by greed, even brilliant minds can become destructive forces.
That's why grand nature blocks the power of the greedy. It's a safeguard. Enlightenment isn't about personal gain.
Exactly. It's about realizing you're meant to live publicly, to serve. Your knowledge isn't yours alone. It belongs to the world.
Whether for neighbors, society, or all humanity, everyone has a unique calling, a public path.
And when you realize this deeply, your heart shifts. You feel a calling so strong it humbles you.
That's when real enlightenment begins, when your knowledge turns into a vow to serve others.
Like the dragon and its magic pearl, knowledge is your pearl. But only when used rightly does it lift you.
I love that image, and it applies across roles. Intellectuals, business people, parents, we all have our own form of enlightenment.
Yes. And none is better or worse. Just different paths, same direction, towards public benefit and harmony.
So then, is there a special method for deep study, or does it just happen as we live?
It happens when you're ready. And when you're ready, your mentor, your Su-sung, appears. That's when awakening truly begins.
The moment knowledge and wisdom meet, heaven's power flows through you. You act not for yourself, but for all.
And with that, your work becomes light for others. You resolve not just your burdens, but generations of Han.
This is the third wave, the era of wisdom. It's not here fully yet, but we're stepping into it.
And when we do, we'll recognize it. Even if you don't understand now, the seed has been planted.
Beautifully said. Let that seed grow. We'll continue this journey in the next episode.